Hi guys, how you all doing? So it's your girl Elsie and I am back again with yet another video. So today we're making pasta. We're making pasta and we are making it with beef. So this is sirloin and it's a little bit beyond half a kg. So and also we're gonna be using, bear with me, I have something here. I'll show you. This is my collection, but I was gifted this pasta spices from Italy, and I'm gonna be using one of them to saute the pasta with. So stay tuned as we make our Italian pasta. We see how it's gonna come along. Start with our pasta. Here is our water. It's ready. And then we're gonna switch that on. We are cooking with electricity. I'm gonna put level 6, so that it heats up fast. And here we're gonna use 2 types of pasta because, well, one is not enough, so I have used it earlier. And then we're gonna add on so that is enough. Then so I have finished slicing, so let's get to cooking it. Gonna put this on the fire. Yes, this one is still cooking very nicely. So we put our cooking oil. And we are gonna put in our meat. So we're gonna put our Royco, spice, salt, and the dry spice. Then we're gonna put our soy sauce. I like soy sauce, so I'm using the light soy sauce. And then we're gonna crush some black pepper cubes and 1 Maggi. So here they are unwrapped. I'm gonna switch that off. It's done. Yes, I've decided to go with spaghetti dell'Isosa. That's this one on our pan. There is our 1 tablespoon and our 2nd tablespoon. So we will fry this for a bit. It smells so good. And then we're gonna add some more black pepper and some little bit of salt. So I've switched this one off. So we move on to our next one. We add our onion. We let them sweat. Then we add our tomatoes and red bell pepper, and we stir. So far, this is how it looks like when cooked. We don't need to add more salt. So our meat is ready. I've already served our pasta. This is how it's looking. So we are having it with beef. This is how it's looking. Let's try and serve this one differently. Let's see if there's any difference. Here is the second plate. Different styles of plating. Either way, it tastes good. So let me taste the food. Let's see if I'm gonna like it. Well, have a tiny plate and a little bit of that. I like the way the spices from the pasta marry with the spices from the beef. You should try it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and I'm gonna catch you in the next one.